With that being said,
not so happy news about the forecast.
Let's get to some negativity here. 101, that was the high today, which, you know, again, this time of the year, that's kind of expected. That's not too far from the norm. It's the 18th triple-digit day that we've had so far. We averaged 14 to date. The entire summer, we averaged 20, so 2 more, and then we're going to hit the average for the entire summer. We're doing that this year for sure. Hottest temp so far this summer, 103. We did that on August 7th and 8th, and last year was way worse than this year. So you look at the 18th triple-digit day compared to 37 this time last year, 47 the year before that. A little bit of perspective. Still very hot, but it's Texas, it's summer, it's August, it's supposed to be hot. It's how it works. Excessive heat warning in effect again for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Now, just because that's how it works here in Texas doesn't mean it's not dangerous. It is still dangerous heat. That comes with the territory in summer here. Just remember that as you're out and about tomorrow. 104 in Dallas. That's not the heat index. That's the air temperature. 105 Fort Worth, Decatur, Gainesville, Denton 105, you get the ebb. It's very hot tomorrow, 102 in Terrell. So we do expect tomorrow to be the hottest day of the year so far. Then comes in the humidity. It'll feel like 111 in Dallas, 109 in Decatur, 112 in Clarksville, 109 in Sulphur Springs, 111 in Canton and Athens. So very hot tomorrow afternoon, a tad hotter Monday. So we have an excessive heat warning tomorrow. I suspect we'll have one Monday, possibly even Tuesday and Wednesday. Certainly a heat advisory at the very least, as high temperatures stay in the triple digits for at least the next 5 days. And then maybe there are some indications there that the heat dome can break down a little bit. And by that, I just mean upper 90s. So, maybe it won't have as strong of a grip on our weather. Certainly still hot. 99 is still hot. 98 is still very hot. But our normals are dropping, 96 to 95. If you look by Wednesday, the normal high is 95. So we are moving in that direction. The other thing, we are starting to get crunchy, if you will, outside. Grasses are getting dry. Things have been dry. The last month or so, we haven't really had a lot of rain. It's been very hot. The humidity has been lower out to the west. That's why there's an elevated fire danger in this area here, because humidity will be lower. Some dry vegetation. Just keep that in mind, too, if you're doing anything outside that involves fire. I know someone will. Whatever it may be. Hopefully something safe and normal. But if you are doing something with fire outside, like cooking something, not like flamethrowers. But anyway, just be careful. Elevated fire danger. It's that time in the year, folks. I don't know what to tell you. Clear skies. There you go. That's all we have tonight. Rain chances over the next 7 days, minimal. A trace to 1/10 of an inch. That's it. You see, that's all we could expect over the next 7+ days. With the heat, with the high pressure, it just means rain chances stay minimal. Tonight, 81 degrees, warm and muggy. Tomorrow, 104. That would be the hottest day of the year so far. 105 Monday. That would then become the hottest day of the year so far. And then hopefully we can take it down a notch or two into the upper 90s. So, the next 14 days, it's just a lot of heat. And that will wrap up August there. So tomorrow night when you join us, we'll have September 1st in view. And who knows? September 1st, maybe we'll have highs in the 60s.
You never know. So you're saying that flamethrowing would not be normal?
That's a bad idea.
Well, now I grew up in a way that maybe it would have been, setting things on fire, messing with fireworks, flamethrowers. But no, don't do that. That's a bad idea.
Good advice. Good advice from Jesse Huila. We've got our new CEO coming to town Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday from he picks this stretch to come. It's 105, 104, 103. I imagine he's looking at his calendar going, we could have picked a better time to go to Texas.
Or if he's watching tonight, he's wondering why we're talking about flamethrowers in the weather.
Probably. Welcome to Dallas.